So, is there a single app that will allow you to have Google as your search engine set on your television, or to have Facebook on your television, which allows you to browse, internet as a web browser so easily that you can set up any web link as your favorites and then watch movies, or whichever is your favorite website you keep on, looking for on the internet very often. That's really one thing that can be done through a single app, and we're going to cover that in this very video. So let's start. With a demo. Let's say I have just got Google set up as my search engine. Let's say I want to search something. Let's say Asia Cup 2018 cricket. So I just click on that, and you get live score here. What's happening? So Afghanistan is batting. This was yesterday's match, and today's match will happen at 12:30. That's easy. Similarly, if you want to search anything on internet, you can just type in here, and that will, let's go to BBC weather. So it's so easy. It's like using Google on your laptop, right? So we'll come to how we do it, but let me give you a demo of Facebook. I've just set up Facebook link as my under my favorites. So this is my favorite section, and if I click on it, Facebook opens. I will just log in, and boom, it will work as normal. I just don't want to type in my details here because I don't want to disclose my account for sure. Weather, let me go to weather. Okay, so at the moment there are more than 12 windows open, so I need to close the windows. So this app doesn't allow you to open more than 12 windows at a single time. So let me now click on weather, and here it is. So if you want to go to, let's say, BBC weather, here it is. Okay, so this will show you what's happening today, tomorrow. So, and then let's talk about Chrome. Let's get a Google Chrome installed on my TV. So let me just go to Google back and just search for Chrome. So what's happening? Okay, so I need to do that with my TV remote. Oh, sorry. Chrome. So okay, so it's here. Right, so you can go there, and Chrome as a web browser, you just go there and download Chrome, and it should download Chrome on your television. It will open in App Store, but it's already installed on my machine, so on my television, so it's working as your computer. So as I said, you can, how do you do it? You just go to favorites, go to add, you just paste in any link. Let's say I just do it for Google for use. Let me do as www dot, let's say, what do you want to, let me do Google again for you. So google.com, and that's the path. You can call it anything. Just copy the name. You can call it Google. I'll just call it Google Demo, just to show the latest one which I've added, just to demonstrate it to you. And I'll just click on add. Now you see within favorites, if you come down, you'll see Google Demo. It says invalid path. Okay, so we know why it is invalid now. The reason being, I need to add HTTPS in front of it. So I don't want to do it again. Let me add another thing. So let me go and add HTTPS. Come down. Colon. I know I've not told you the name of the app. We'll come to it very quickly, but let me just demonstrate how it works first, so that you know how useful it is. We'll go into the settings as well very quickly. Let's do yahoo.com. Yahoo. Sorry, I should have added www as well. My fault. So www dot yahoo dot com. Similarly, you can do for Gmail. I should have done for Gmail. That's fine. Let me just copy. Copy, paste, add. Okay, so it won't allow this in the name. So let me take this out. Cut. Okay, so it's called Yahoo now. Let me add it. Okay, so in your favorites, again come down, Yahoo is added, and it should open yahoo.com now, right? So similarly, you can add Gmail and everything. I mean, that's really easy. You can go to your Yahoo Mail from here. You can add, yeah, so it's here. You can enter your Yahoo ID and sign in as you do it on your computer. Similarly, images. If I click on images, I'll just show you the settings first. You just go in here, take out recycle bin, so that will not send anything you delete to recycle bin, but it will be deleted permanently. And root explorer should not be checked. And these are the settings you would want to do on your television. Then for downloads, you can create a folder here wherever you want your things to go in. If you download something within your favorites, you can click on add and click any URL or any web page that you want to be added. As I've done for Google, you can do it for any website you want. I watch movies for free, so I've taken this link and I've just added into my favorites. I can click on any movie. Let me very quickly show you how it works. So bear in mind it would okay, so you can see, boom, the movie is working, but there will be ads on it. Oh, I just clicked on it. It's another ad. How do I go there? Okay, so yeah, but you saw, I mean, so there will be some ad pop-ups. I mean, wrongly I closed it, but yeah, you can see it does work, right? So you can go again, you can watch any other movie. Just click on basement, it will open up. Just click on it, it works, right? So this website is called uwatchitfree.tv, I guess, but you can search it. But I mean, there would be a few ads popping in initially, but you can close them, right? And you can enlarge them from here. I don't know why I can't see it, but if I click, another ad will pop up, so I don't want to do it, right? But similarly, I mean, I mean, whatever you could do on your television, on your laptop, you can do it very easily in here. So how do you do it? Let me go out to the home page. This is a Sony Android television. Let me come out, and this is called ES File Explorer. Okay, if you click on that, the same setting will come up. So how do you get that? The easiest way, if you have an Android television or if you have an Android TV box, you can go to the Google Play Store and you can search for ES File Explorer. It should be within the top free apps list, and if it is not, we can type in here. It's here. So ES File Explorer File Manager. So I have installed it already, so it says open. Otherwise for you it will show up as install. Once you've got it installed, it will show up on your home page in here, and from here you can go in, you can add in your links, whatever you want to add in your settings. Let me quickly go to settings and just quickly show you what all are the options you should be setting it to. So display settings, cleanup. Okay, if you want to clean up cache, clean history, things like that, pretty usual stuff. directory setting, where do you want your Bluetooth share path, where do you want your download path, whatever your photos videos you download, where should it be going in your television. Search engine settings, I've set it to Google here. You can select anything else, so anything you search in here, that will go in there, so that remains as Google. Notification settings, password settings, pretty usual stuff. Apps, if you want to back up or uninstall whatever, you can set it up from here. Download manager, again disable DS downloader if you don't want to download anything, usual stuff. Yeah, so post in your comments, let me know what difficulty you faced while getting this app on your television. It should work on any of the smart television, Android television you have. Okay, so the movie is playing now. Right, okay. All right, okay. So not a good movie to watch, definitely. Let me just quickly close it. Okay, okay. Let me know your thoughts. I have done a lot of review videos of useful apps for your television. Let me know if you have any questions in the comment section. I'm very quick to respond to them. Subscribe to my channel. Do visit my other videos on my channel, which might be useful for you. All right. Okay. Thanks for watching. Thank you very much. Bye bye.